Before any equipment is purchased, engineers define exactly what it must do. The user requirements specification, checked against engineering drawings. Once approved, the autoclave is delivered, installed, and connected to facility utilities. Steam, water, compressed air, and power. Next comes installation qualification. Every connection, wire, and calibration label is verified against the design, confirming the system is built exactly as specified. Then, operational qualification. The autoclave is tested across its full range of temperatures and pressures, while alarms and safety interlocks are deliberately triggered to confirm they respond correctly. In performance qualification, the system runs under real production conditions, operated by trained staff, with every batch result reviewed and approved. Design, installation, operation, and performance. 4 qualification stages, 1 report. Equipment qualified for GMP use.